needed something fast. I needed something quick. I needed something that will still look like I took my time with it, but y'all know I did not. Under 5 minutes. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Takeoff, and before we get into this video, if you haven't already, please feel free to go ahead and subscribe to my channel to come take off with me. We're going to be doing some exciting hairstyles. We're going to be doing some things this summer and spring. Well, this spring and summer, because spring comes first. But I just need y'all to come subscribe to my channel to come take off with me. All right, but we're about to go ahead and get right into this video. Y'all, I have somewhere to be in like 5 minutes. Really, like 5 minutes. So we're gonna do something quick. We're going to install a V-part wig. I have on a dress, okay? I'm not naked, but listen to me, hear me out. V-part wigs, convenient, they're fast, they're easy to install. You don't need a braid down. I know y'all see this. I'm about to part out my leave out and put this wig on. Because it is a V-part wig, I know I want a middle part. I'm literally just gonna go right down. First of all, I'm gonna take my hair out. I'm gonna go to the middle, part off what is somewhat like a middle part. Not in the middle. Middle part. From here, a little bit of hair for each side. That's too much. Do not attempt what I just did because that was hard. From the middle part, section out a piece for each side. I'm coming off an old silk press. I straightened my hair for my birthday, so this works out. Clip that out the way for a second. I have my V part right here. Nadula hair is known for great quality. Like, I'm not gonna have to do much to this, but make sure my leave out is blended. It's breathable. Y'all, I'm liking it. We're gonna put the wig on, clip, find the part in the front, clip, do the same thing on the other side, clip, and clip. So we're gonna plait this. That's it. Oh my goodness. So pretty, so full. And if your hair does not match the texture, you can always do something like this. Do a braid. I just did a braid because I feel like that's really cute. You can do both sides. You can leave it like this. Matter of fact, let's just go ahead and do both sides. You can take a rubber band, take both pieces of hair, and that's it. Under 5 minutes. Like I just told y'all, I gotta get ready to go. Like, I needed something fast. I needed something quick. I needed something that will still look like I took my time with it, but y'all know I did not. Under 5 minutes. and I'm about to be out of the house. Like, this video may be longer than 5 minutes because I'm gonna show y'all some little clippy clips at the end, you know what I'm saying? But this is it. Shout out to Nadula hair. The quality is amazing, the construction is amazing. I'm an advocate, I'm a fan of Nadula. Like, it speaks volumes. All the information on this hair will be down below in my description box, so please feel free to check it out. And while you're down there, if you're new here, don't forget to click that subscribe button to stay tuned with me and subscribe to my channel. It's gonna take off with me this summer and this spring. Baby, come to join the journey, okay? Come get on this journey with me.